go. Oh, just you have to saute and then put all the ano tawag dito? Sayote, yung Tagalog. Kuha po naman ako. Yung Tagalog, the sayote. Until it's golden brown, like that. And then you put like that. And then this is called the French cuisine. This one is very important from Europe. Dito lang sa Europe na bibili. So to make salad like that. And then afterwards, you're going to get some water. And then you have to pour it all. And then make shake. And then something like that. And throw it like that. And then you have to wait until it simmers. And then first of all, you're going to taste like this. This is the chicken. Just look. It sounds delicious, huh? Sounds delicious. Let's put like this, huh? This is already boiling. Then later on, I'm going to taste if this is already enough. And then let the sayote lambot. Then put out to this one again. So tapos na ang ating menu for the day. The sayote swan, it's a lentil ingredient. So ito na siya. So kuha tayo. Yes. Pinagpuan. And then corn mo ko. And then I love it. Let's go here. Then have the service taste a little bit and put it in the rice. This is what you call the, ang tawag dito ay sayote de suwani de excelente sardinas. Ito ang bagong putahe na magugustuhan ng mga Pinoy yan. Diba? Pag masubo ko kasi tutulugin lang dyan. Ayan, subo. Like this. 1000% raksa. Nagugustuhan ito ni Drew rin ako. So, this is one of the ano? Kaya mo na ako? Wala. Dito pala kayo. Sabi, sana. Good. Wala na. Ang ating sayote de suway na excelente. Boss na, boss. Patay, wala na pagkain sila insig. Kasi nana, yari na naman ako. Diba, no? Tinakap siya ng pork chop. Pero I'm sure, mas gugustuhin nila ang aking bagong potahe. Kaya meron pa rin dito. Siyempre, tinarap ko rin naman sila. Ayan. Okay? So, paano? Maghugas pa ka ng plato. Baka may tayo mag-usap. Bye!